Introduction. The legend returns. The legend is back, and it's bigger, stronger, and sharper than ever. The 2026 Honda CB750 marks the return of one of Honda's most iconic names, reimagined for today's riders who crave power, style, and reliability. Here on Auto World, we explore why this machine is already shaping up to be one of the most exciting motorcycles of its generation. A big change for a new era. Honda didn't just update the CB750, they transformed it. The 2026 model brings a redesigned frame, updated electronics, and a more aggressive street fighter attitude. Every line, every bolt, and every component shows Honda's intention to build a modern classic capable of taking on the future while honoring its historic roots. Big power, bigger performance. At the heart of the new CB750 is a refined, parallel twin-engine delivering more punch than ever. Smooth torque delivery, crisp throttle response, and a higher power output make it a true performer on city streets and open highways. Honda focused on balance, enough power to thrill, yet predictable and stable for everyday riding. Technology riders can trust. The 2026 CB750 comes packed with advanced features, traction control, selectable ride modes, improved fuel mapping, and a next-generation digital display. Honda understands the demands of today's riders, especially in the United States, where versatility and dependability matter. This bike delivers both. Why the US market will love it. American riders respect machines that last, and Honda's reputation for long-term durability is unmatched. The renewed CB750 offers the perfect mix of performance and practicality. Whether commuting, weekend cruising, or carving through mountain roads, this model has the confidence and capability US riders expect. A legend reborn. The CB750 name carries decades of history, built on innovation and courage. The 2026 model doesn't just revive that spirit, it amplifies it. Honda has proven once again that true legends never fade. They evolve. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda CB750 isn't just a motorcycle. It's a statement. Bold, powerful, modern, and unmistakably Honda. If you're ready to experience the rebirth of an icon, this is the bike to watch. For more updates, reviews, and automotive insights, make sure you stay tuned to Auto World.